Welcome back everyone to the Lakeland and Black Valley Railroad. And in this episode I'm at the Red Mountain Junction with GP9 6021. We're currently, as you can tell, the hopper cars from last episode are moved and the other two GP9s are also gone. That's because they've been taken down to Whitestone, where they're going to be stored in the Whitestone siding. And the other two GP9s brought up the loaded coal hoppers up to Blue Cliff. But in this episode, there's no engine swap happening today because there's a train that's going to go barreling down the line all the way to Greenfield, where there's like 5 farms. And then I'll probably send for like an Alco or a Alco switcher or an EMD switcher to pick up the other freight cars that this train might have. I don't know exactly what it has. All I know is it's got stuff for the farms. And here it comes. I see it in the distance. Oh, it's got some DPU units. Box cars, empty hopper cars, another box car, and some empty coal hoppers, and 2 SD60s at the rear. Alrighty, well that was a fast train. This GP9 6021 is going to be sitting here, and then it's going to be pulling some loads up, and that other GP9 1260 will be taking its place here. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.